Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make or cook pizza. First, you have to put the dough with ketchup, with banana ketchup. And then these are the ketchup, these are the how to put it on the dough. And then you have to spread all the ketchup, that is tomato ketchup, on the dough. This is a chicken adobo, chicken adobo, and then put it on the dough with ketchup. Now is a shredded mozzarella and a piece of patata french fries with shredded mozzarella. And then you have to put some black olives, cut it in small pieces and spread on top of pizza. So we're done. After putting all the ingredients, you have to heat the pan. Put a little oil or butter and then put your pizza dough. Just a little heat and cover it. Okay, after the pizza is already cooked, you can open it and then it's done. It's about 5 minutes for cooking the pizza. After that, it's done. Pizza is ready to eat. Now we have our pizza. A very simple homemade pizza. Try it, kabayan. You can make your own pizza. Okay? So that's it. So for today, our very palatable pizza, we can cut it now and eat it. So try it in your homemade pizza. Kain na tayo ng Pizzarap. Masarap ito. Thank you for watching.